Hi, I'm Alana with Artful Teaching, Joyful Learning. And today I'm going to share with you some homeschool room hacks to help you level up learning. The first thing I want you to think about is investing in a chart stand like this. When kids raise their gaze up off the page, it gets them much more focused and attuned to what you're actually modeling. The second tip is to get a little stick like this from the outdoors. Have your kids embellish it with some yarn, some sparkles, and this becomes your pointing stick, your teaching stick. And it helps kids to really track the print and to really notice what you're teaching. The third fun hack that's guaranteed to get your kids excited is to use thinking bubbles. Having a little bottle of bubbles nearby is sure to pique your kids' interest and excitement about learning. Having a child-sized table and chair set and supplies nearby helps to make sure that project and independent work goes smoothly. Child-made mobiles and decor bring color and texture into your space. Instead of commercially made alphabet posters, why not have your kids design their own and their own number line?